Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. So if you have added Yahoo as your search engine and you want to remove it, I'll show you how it can be possible. So as you open your Chrome, you will see there is Yahoo's search engine and everything is all about Yahoo there. So if the same case is with you and you want to get rid of it, you want a Google Chrome or other search engine, I'll show you how you can be do it. So on the right top, you will see the three dots. You have to click onto it and then you have to go to the settings. Then on the left side, you will find all these options. From all these options, you have to click onto this one, search engine. There you will see it is set as Yahoo. You have to click on change. Then all available search engines will be there. You can click on Google and click on set, and then you have to simply go back to your Chrome and then you will see the search engine from Yahoo has been changed to Google. If you want to change it to any other, you can go to the settings, go to search engine, and in the change option you can select any other option. No matter what you select, the search engine will be set like that. So that's how you can remove Yahoo from Chrome. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.